I'd like to talk a little bit about what we have for the front end so far. But first, some good news, bad news. Bad news is we didn't make it to the Ventures demo days. I had a phone screen with. We talked about that. We had a phone screen with one of the with three judges regarding the pitch that I did, and the feedback is not very good. As you can see right here, hopefully these are out of 5 and not 10, but not very good feedback. The ultimate feedback seems to be that we had a app and not a business. So that was my fault. I should have done more market research. Should have had a sounder business plan when I did the pitch. But that's okay. So here's some more feedback. Judge 3 seemed to like us, but 2 out of 3 judges said that we shouldn't go to demo days. Okay, and now for the good news. We've added a new team member, and his name is Luis, and he's going to take care of all these business issues that we have. And all we're going to focus on is the software, and this is going to be great. So his background is he's an application delivery manager. So basically, he sees that applications from the start to the end and sees that they're as successful as they can be. So he's already looking and trying to get funding for our app and looking at doing some market research and putting together pitch decks. And he's doing so much so far. And he's also going to go to demo days, even though we're not going to be there. So while Doug and I are at the Innovation Showcase, which is the same day as demo days, he's going to be at the demo days, demoing our app to people and getting feedback on it. Another event that he signed us up for is the CEA Design Days. And so this is this Tuesday, April 10th, and we'll be there. And this is a way for us to get more feedback on our product. So engineers and product managers will demo it to people and we'll get their feedback. So he's already doing a lot, and we're really excited to have him on the team and see what he can do. So that being said, let's talk a little bit about what we have for the front end. So we spent a lot of time going over what the final flow was going to be for Innovation Showcase, and we've come up with a clear vision. And we're nearing the end. We just have a little bit of cleanup to do. So most of what you see are just mock-ups. So let's show you what is new. Right now the search is working fully, so before it was just going straight to San Francisco no matter what you typed in, but now it's actually working for any city. So let's go to Houston, Texas, for example. So this will take us right to Houston, and let's see some software engineering jobs in Houston. So this is hard-coded right now, but we have all the data set, so we just have to set it in our cards right here. But if you click on the job, this is how the flow is going to be. We'll get the job view, and from the job view we can save it. And here's a new feature we added was a drop-down alert. So we'll be using these drop-down alerts throughout the app. This is a cool library that we added. So this is how we'll save the job. And then from here, we're going to show houses that we can afford with the job at this salary. So if we click here, we'll show all the houses in Houston that we can afford with $95,000. So here's all the housing that we can afford. Now we can also adjust the salary if we feel the salary is incorrect. So here we adjust salary here. We'll implement this in the next sprint, and from here we would look at lifestyle stuff that would display on the map as well. Okay, cool. And then you click on it, and it's the same carousel feel. We just have to add all the data here, and it'll be complete. So that's all we have for the front end that's new. Another thing, when we save, it'll go here. So all the jobs, all the things to do and housing will go here, and then from here you can develop your life cards, and they will show up in your feed. And so that's all we have so far. Everything looks like we should be ready for the Innovation Showcase in the next 3 weeks. Thank you.